Emerald Airport, owned and operated by the Central Highlands Regional Council, is on the edge of outback Queensland and has undergone a $20.8 million upgrade over the last 2 years. Supporting agriculture, business, tourism, mining, regular passenger transport flights and health services, including the Royal Flying Doctors Service and Angel Flight, the benefits extend beyond the terminal.
Big numbers of flights, the regular flights per day is what makes us really attractive to business, to people coming up to the region.
The terminal at Emerald Airport was designed prior to security screening becoming mandatory. Hence, a number of workarounds had to be followed in the operations of the building, such as requiring passengers to exit the check-in area, walk along the front of the building, pass through the arrivals area to access the sterile area.
The Commonwealth Government continually upgrade the security requirements at airports, and probably everybody's aware now we've got to go through body scanners that are mandated. So we had to make area to put in the body scanners.
All individuals at the airport were approached. We then developed a terminal user group which we could all come together with the best ideas possible and make the terminal better for everyone. That's the passengers, the people working here, and pretty well everyone else in the community. Rather than fighting passengers, we found the route that they were walking every single day. We then extended the terminal over where the old existing drop-off zone used to be. We then moved the drop-off zone into the centre of the car park for all the passengers to walk to. It's going to make our life significantly easier.
We suggested that it would be great that the rental car park be relocated to the front, which would give great access and convenience to all customers flying into Emerald.
One of the things we believe that makes this project special was the level of cooperation that had to be achieved between the project partners. The project had to be delivered against a backdrop of a global pandemic, strained supply lines, much reduced manufacturing capabilities in the source countries, and therefore, in the end, stretched delivery times on the ground. We had to make the delivery times because at the back of the project is a security outcome with a deadline that we had to meet. To deliver the project, we had more than 52 project partners involved in the project. The main ones we chose were George Bourne and Associates, GHD, Woolens, Designa Car Park Equipment and CK Consulting. The project currently is on time and on schedule and on budget, even though, as with all projects, we found a number of issues we had to fix.
From a security point of view, there's a lot of compliance issues that have to happen in the background, organising authorities from Home Affairs so we can keep the airport secure. As the project progressed, we had to frequently change the lines of what was a sterile area to a non-sterile area, but the guys at Woolens worked in really well with us, and we managed to keep compliance at the airport without any problem.
With this upgrade, we'll have more space and we'll get all the new technology, new machines.
Only 3 companies in the world actually make the screening equipment that we can use. It became apparent that the best value for money option was to actually upgrade some of the existing screening equipment, and that, with the terminal extension, provided its own challenges. For them to be upgraded, they need to be done on site. So to install this new equipment, we can't disturb the normal operational hours of the airport, so the equipment has to be installed at night.
The first thing to note, of course, is the public has been brilliant. The comms strategy worked really well. The additional attention we gave to passenger comfort and serviceability really paid dividends in the end.
This upgrade has allowed our travellers and our workers to actually enjoy that comfort and that experience as they go to work.
The state government, the Palaszczuk Labor government is so proud to be investing in this piece of infrastructure. There's so much opportunity that is here in Emerald, and it already is such a great contributor to our statewide economy. We know that investing in this airport will mean more local jobs, more money in the economy, and even more exciting opportunities for Emerald and the Central Highlands.
The Liberal National Party has insisted that we do improve our security at our airports around the regions, and we've invested over $3 million in conjunction with the state government and the local government here on the Central Highlands to do exactly that. And I'm pleased with the outcome of the expenditure of this money.
When the state and federal governments look at resilience through COVID-19, they look at places like the Central Highlands for resources sector activity, for agriculture, the most important part, Emerald Airport.